I want the molar mass of benzene. So now we're kind of headed straight. We're kind of heading not towards kind of grade 12 material, but this is more so grade 11 material now. So it's molar mass of benzene. So what is the molar mass of benzene? Well, I'm gonna have to figure out my chemical formula for benzene first. So benzene is what it has here. It's if I were to draw out the structure here, benzene. So, and then I have it's bonded to a carbon each, right? The circle just means here again. The circle means it's resonance stabilized, so it's actually these double bonds are delocalized electrons that's jumping around here. So it's only bonded to one hydrogen, which means if I were to count the carbons, I have 6 carbons, so C6, and I have 6 hydrogens. So C6H6 is my kind of chemical formula for benzene. And what I have to do is I have to simply find the molar mass, right? So I can say that the molar mass, big M, of C6H6 is going to equal. So what is it going to equal? I have C6H6, right, which means I have 6 carbon electrons. So I can say I have 6 it's not electrons. I have 6 carbons, and carbon is again this this guy here, right? It's 12.011. So this is 12.01 grams per mole. So this here is going to be my the molar mass of carbon here. I have 6 plus times 6 of those guys, and then I'm going to have also 6 times this hydrogen, right? I have 6 hydrogens as well, right? So if you look at my periodic table here, again, hydrogen is 1.008, right? So hydrogen, I can say that this is 1.008 grams per mole. I'm going to do that math on the calculator. So I have 6 times 12.011 here, which is 72.066. 66 grams per mole. Plus, and then I have 6 times whatever this guy is, right? So 6 times here is 1.008, right? Which is 6.048 grams per mole. I can add both of these numbers up to get me my molar mass, or my total molar mass of this benzene, which is 78.114 grams per mole. And this here is the molar mass of my benzene here. So as you can see, let's see, this solution here is correct. They got 78.11. 114 is close enough. And again, all they're doing is they're simply taking the atomic mass of our carbon and our hydrogen, which is 12.011 and 1.008, and they're multiplying it by 6, right? So they did C6H6 is 12.01 times 6 because I have 6 carbons, plus 1.008 times 6 because I have 6 hydrogens, and it's going to add, they're going to sum it up to give me 78.114. Solution here is correct. It's good analysis as well.